Hey guys, welcome to Maneuver. I'm Advocate Nisha Lotia and my today's session will discuss about the 100% score booster strategy for MCA CET 2021 English section. Students' optimum scoring in English requires efficient and profound reading. To get into the top colleges like VJTI, Bharatiya Vidya, Bhavan Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, Andheri, KJ Somaya, and many more, you have to know the syllabus and types of question which forms the most significant part of the score booster strategy. So today I'll discuss the syllabus and will solve one RC which will give you a clear idea of how to solve the passage, and do take note of the type of questions. But before getting started, let me tell you about the Maneuver's online lectures, guys. During this pandemic, we are offering online lectures. Okay guys, and for the same, the screen the WhatsApp number is and the calling number is flashing on your screen, that is 8828581455. Okay, you can call over here guys and our admins will be really happy to help you, or else you can visit our website, that is maneuveredu.com, to join us, or to ask any query or for any other information, guys. So as I told you guys, the syllabus awareness is the first crucial thing that you have to do, to achieve the best score for your English section, which is very very easy. English आप लोग का इतना tough level का नहीं आता है MCA में. Okay, and the other thing is you have to understand the type of questions. After knowing the syllabus, the other step is your type of questions. The first part in the syllabus is reading comprehension. Reading comprehension is the most dominating part, okay, because it carries a maximum weightage. And over here, रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन जितना आपका अंडरस्टैंडिंग टूवर्ड्स द सब्जेक्ट, अंडरस्टैंडिंग टूवर्ड्स द लैंग्वेज टेस्ट करेगा, इतना कोई भी नहीं टेस्ट करता. सो एवरी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन इज द मोस्ट डोमिनेटिंग पार्ट, गाइज. आई एम गोना डिस्कस वन पैसेज, ओके. And the next is your antonyms, synonyms, guys. Make your personal vocabulary book, guys. Make it sorted, guys. पहले make order wise A B C D everything, okay. जैसे abate आया तो आपने इधर लिख, benign आया तो इधर लिख लिया, benevolent आया तो इधर लिख लिया, okay. And then make a list of synonyms and antonyms of the same word, okay. And every day try to memorize at least 10 to 15 words. So when you're memorizing one word, you're gonna memorize so many antonyms and synonyms. वैसे करके आपका vocabulary day by day बहुत increase होगा, and you will have an absolute different level of confidence when it comes to English section. But this is a must do process, हाँ guys. ये must do करना है आपको. Read newspapers every day, you will get so many new words, The Hindu है आपका, Indian Express है, Times of India है. Read the editorial page, read the first page, and I'm sure आपका जो fear है towards the language will disappear because you know many words now, okay. What is the fear? Because you're not understanding the language, इसलिए सबका fear है English को लेके. But because we are not exposed to that kind of vocabulary, guys. Once you know the vocabulary, things will fall in the correct place. Next in the queue is your error detection, guys, which is grammar based, okay, absolute grammar based. There are certain rules which are from nouns, pronouns, verbs, जैसे आपका subject verb agreement हो गया, tenses हो गया, parallelism हो गया, so you should know these rules, and whereby error detection will become very very easy. But let me tell you guys, ये rules काफी नहीं होता है. You have to understand the type of question also, मतलब how to actually apply these rules. I can tell you, with my experience, guys, only an experienced mentor who have been writing paper can guide you towards the exact type of question जो आपके एग्जाम में आता है. So do choose a mentorship with lots of care, guys. Next in your line is your paragraph jumbles, guys. Paragraph jumbles is nothing but there are 4 to 5 lengthy statements जो आपको देंगे वो लोग, and you have to arrange them in a proper order, in a proper sequence to form a coherent or a meaningful paragraph. So over here there are certain mandatory pairs that you have to form. There are certain techniques whereby we divide the paragraph into 3, that is your opening central theme and your closing theme, and whereby things can come. Because एक बात समझो आप, अगर these are jumbled and quite lengthy तो आप पढ़ोगे तो and also it is not making sense to you. So इसको solve करना बहुत difficult हो जाता है if you don't know the correct technique, okay. Next is your phrasal verbs, guys. Phrasal verbs are nothing but like आपको एक verb देंगे and इसके साथ different if they there are different prepositions, like in set on, set off, okay, set down, correct. So all these words have different meaning. The verb remains the same but the preposition will change, okay. So that is phrasal verb जो आता है 1-2 मार्क के लिए very easy. You should know the concept, and then you can't afford to lose those marks. Next in the line is your fill-ups and close test. Again, it is vocab based, guys. It is a normal filling the blanks. आपको लगेगा ये normal filling the blanks है, but the choices, the MCQs which are given are going to be very much close, जैसे added, arisen, increased. Okay, so you have to choose as per the context. Okay, understanding the grammar, understanding whether the sentence is positive, negative, understanding the subject, जो subject चल रहा है. All these techniques help you to solve the close test at a proper order. Next is the spell check. Looks to be very easy, but I can bet you it can be very confusing जब आपको एक ही spelling ना 4 बार लिख के आएगा. Okay, because they are MCQs. जैसे अगर मैं बोलूँ business, correct? So business है तो ये business आपको 4 बार लिख के आएगा. So it can be very confusing. They will always select choose words for MCQs which have double letters in it. Okay, so this requires correct practice and correct types of questions. Okay, now this was the syllabus awareness, which is the first stepping stone, and next is the type of question. So an experienced mentor can only tell you what are the passages you have to refer, या what are the vocabs which are important at this level, या फिर error detection में क्या type of questions आएंगे, spell check में कैसे questions आएंगे. So choose the mentorship very smartly, guys. Next in the line is the passage, guys. I have mentioned a beautiful passage over here which is very much timely based, like abhi jo chal raha hai. We listen to so many motivational speakers, correct? But then how long do we stay motivated, or how do we select our goals? It is all about that. Do the motivation be with us through the entire journey of our completing it? No. Do we select the task which is actually challenging? And trust me, the author is telling that tasks which are challenging, that only will aspire to do it. Okay, so it's a very beautiful written passage. Do read with me, and after that pause the video and try to solve the questions, and then come back to my explanation. Do you ever feel there is a greater being inside of you bursting to get out? It is the voice that encourages you to really make something of your life. When you act congruently with that voice, what does the word congruently over here mean? Congruently means same. Okay, there are two, when we say there are two circles, they're congruent to each other, means both are of the same size. When you act congruently with that voice, it's like you are a whole new person. You are bold and courageous, you are strong, you are unstoppable. But then this is the phase when you are saying, when you are motivated. Okay, when you are motivated, क्या होता है? You are unstoppable. आप when you are listening to motivational speaker, तो वो particular moment पे तो आपको लगेगा वो मैं क्या से क्या कर लूँ. But then what happens eventually? But then sets in, and soon, but then reality sets in, and soon those moments are history. That phase, that motivation does not stay with you longer, guys. It is not hard to put yourself temporarily into an emotional motivated state. Just listen to that motivational song for that matter. However, this motivation does not stay forever. If you're listening to some motivational song, or if you're listening to some motivational speaker, or if you're reading a motivational book, you get so inspired, you get so motivated, you want to do blah blah things. But then, guys, does that stay? Does that effect be forever? Okay, your great ideas seem impractical. How many times have you been temporarily inspired with an idea like I want to start my own business, then after a week later it's forgotten? Okay, अपन सोच लेंगे आज तो ऐसा कर लेंगे वैसा कर लेंगे, but then things does not fall in the correct place. You come up with inspiring ideas when you're motivated, but you fail to maintain that motivation through the action phase. Okay, you are motivated, आपका mind plan चल गया, but when you put into the practical thing, you are not able to do it. Okay, the problem we ask ourselves is, why does this happen? You can listen to hundreds of motivational speakers and experience an emotional yo-yo effect, but it does not last. This is the main curtail. This is the main problem, guys. The problem is that we are intellectually guided. We've tried to find logic in emotional motivation, and we fail to find logic. It eventually phases out. I used to get frustrated when my emotional motivation fizzled out after a while. Eventually, I realized that being guided by intellect was not such a bad thing after all. Okay, I just had to learn to use my mind as an effective motivational tool. Okay, your mind can be an effective motivational tool, guys. I figured that I was not feeling motivated to go after a particular goal, maybe there was a logical reasoning for it. I noted that when I had strong intellectual reasons for doing. Now what it is, I'll tell you just a simple word guys. If you want to climb the 8th floor, okay, आपको 8th floor तक चढ़ के जाना है on the very first day. This can be quite challenging for everybody nowadays because you know we use elevators, you know. But if I give you an target, like आपको 2nd floor तक climb करके जाना है, everybody can do this. So the you to be charged to be your choice also has to be challenging, something that has to be challenging. You cannot just के 2nd floor तक दूंगी, then there is no motivation into it, there is no force that you want to push yourself. Okay, I usually did not have trouble taking action, but when my mind thinks a goal is wrong on some level, I usually feel blocked. Now when your mind is only not clear, okay, when there are you have some doubts in your mind, you will always find a blocked way. Okay, I eventually realized that this was my mind's way of telling me the goal was a mistake to begin with. Sometimes a goal seems to make sense on one level, but when you look further upstream, it becomes look further upstream, this can be used as a phrase. Okay, it becomes clear that goal is ill-advised. Suppose you work in sales and you get a goal to increase your income by 20% by becoming a more effective salesperson. That seems like a reasonable, intelligent goal. But maybe you are surprised to find yourself encountering all sorts of internal blocks when you try to pursue it. Now what is the problem? Now over here he is telling you that you can increase your income by 20% with effective sales. But what is the problem? The problem is that you don't want to get into sales only. Okay, you should feel motivated, but you just don't. It is such an क्या बोलते हैं enticing offer है 20%, लेकिन you are not feeling motivated. Why? The problem may be that on a deeper level your mind knows you don't want to be working in sales at all. You really want to become a musician. Now आपको जो करना है वो आप कर नहीं रहे हो, then how can you get motivated? You want to become a musician, then how you can work for as a salesperson? Correct. So there's a vast difference. So you have to choose a career or you have to be motivated with a thing you like, then only वो आपको hard push अंदर से आएगा. The author is trying to tell you, no matter how hard you push yourself in sales career, it will always be a motivational end. Further, when you set goals that are too small or timid, you suffer a perpetual lack of motivation. Just I told you, if I tell you to climb the 2nd floor, क्या motivation चाहिए उसमें? It is so small thing for you, so you will be perpetually lack of motivation. You just need to summon the courage to acknowledge your true desires. Then you will have to deal with the self-doubt and fear that been making you think too small. Ironically, the real key to motivation is to set the goals that scare you. Okay, this can be one question guys, real motivation. ऐसे सारे keywords होते हैं ना, जहाँ पे कोई चीज़ का आंसर दिया है, यहाँ पे जहाँ पे कोई turning point है passage का, यहाँ पे real key to motivation है. So these can be very good questions guys. You are letting fears, excuses and limiting beliefs hold you back. Your subconscious mind knows you are strong, so it won't provide any motivational fuel until you step up, face your fears and acknowledge your heart's desire. Okay, once you finally decide to face your fears and drop the excuses, then you will find your motivation turning on full blast. Now it is telling you, drop giving excuses. There should be no ifs and no buts. Just face your fears. Like over here, if he's telling that he was a salesperson, correct, but he wanted to be a musician. Maybe he doubted his capacity as a musician. So do not do that. Just face up the fears. Just drop the excuses, and you can come out with flying colors. This is a very, very motivational, passage, guys. So be motivated during this pandemic, and I'm sure you will, achieve your targets, guys. Now over here, the question was read the passage and answer the questions below. Now over here, the first thing you have to understand when it comes to RC is you have to always work within the context. The next thing what you have to understand is, guys, you have to understand the types of questions. Okay, the types of questions are not going to be that easy, that direct. Okay, so do check out on this part. What does the author want to convey when he says, when you look further upstream, it becomes clear that the goal is ill-advised? Now this has been, the sentence has been given, and you have to tell us that what does the author want to convey you, what is the author actually trying to tell you. Now guys, do pause the video, so try to solve it by yourself and then come back to the explanation. When you analyze your goals closely, you realize it is not what you thought it would B. Okay, when you work towards dealing with your problems, eventually they disappear. ऐसा होता है क्या? When you start just working, dealing with your problems, eventually they disappear? No, they do not. When you inspect the problem, you realize that the solution is within our reach. ऐसा तो कुछ पैसेज में आपको बोला ही नहीं है. When you advise a method of motivating self, you must keep analyzing it periodically. There is no nothing as periodically, you know. ऐसा कुछ mention नहीं हुआ regarding periodically. When you face a problem, you realize your incapability of making good decisions. This is also not correct because ऐसा कुछ passage में बोला ही नहीं. Remember one thing, guys. The things which are not mentioned in the passage will not be your answer. Very important is to understand, because we have to work within the given box only. You cannot go out of this box. So not mentioned in the passage is something which is out of the box, so that will never be your answer. So fourth और fifth तो मेरा वैसे ही eliminate हो गया. Okay, so the first is my correct answer choice. Okay, moving ahead with the next question. Which of the following is or are true in the correct context of the passage? Now when it comes to entrance level, guys, this is very important. Very important are these types of questions which is true. Over here you have to analyze the full passage. आपको analyze करना रहता है. If you will understand, then only you can, you know, answer the it correctly. Many a time, although we are motivated at the start, we fail to keep up the motivation while working towards the goal. Very good, yes. This can be my correct answer choice. But we learn to use our mind as a motivational tool. Yes, we can learn. I told you, motivational tool, we can use our mind. Yes. Being guided by intellect is very bad. No, it is telling that being guided by the intellect can be a good option. Okay, so this is something that is not true as per the passage. A and B are my true statements, guys. So A and B are my true statement, looks good. On B and C, only A and C, all of these तो होगा ही नहीं, बहुत कम होगा ऐसे टाइप में. Take care. Now A and B can be my correct option, guys. Okay, so there is no choice left, guys. You have to understand the entire passage. So guys, now let's start with the third question. According to the passage, the key motivation is setting challenging goals, not letting our fears pull us back, and challenging our goals periodically. See, challenging our goals periodically, ऐसा तो कुछ mention ही नहीं है. So what is the key motivation, guys? Key motivation is setting the challenging goals, and as I told you, 8th floor, correct. And not letting our fears pull us back. Yes, अगर ये दो चीज हो गई, then क्या होगा? You are actually motivated and you can go ahead. So option A and B looks good to me. Okay, only C, only B, A and C. Okay, all of these are not my correct answer choice over here. Moving ahead with the next one. Which of the following is or are not true in the context of the passage? Now this is telling you something which is not true. Now which is not true means false, guys, which is false in the given passage. Although a goal may look intellectual, it may not actually work for us, correct? Our subconscious mind will not motivate us unless we face our fears, correct? So this is not false, correct? What it is, this is not false, guys. It is a true statement. Now, the only way to keep yourself motivated throughout is by listening to many motivational speakers. Now, this is something is the false one, okay? So over here, this is my correct answer choice, and this A, although our goal may look intellectual, it may not actually work for us. So these two things are what, guys? These are true as per the passage, but then this is something which is false as per the passage. So only C, correct? Only C over here looks to be my correct option. Rest all are my incorrect ones. Moving ahead with the next question, guys. According to the passage, the author found it difficult to be motivated because why does he found it difficult? He was not intellectually motivated. He wanted to take the easy way out. ऐसा तो कुछ mention ही नहीं है passage में, correct? He did not push himself hard enough. Okay, he did not push himself. ऐसा भी कुछ mention नहीं है. So very easy this was. He was not intellectually motivated, but later on he realized that being intellectually motivated can be a good idea. Okay, so he was not intellectually motivated is my correct answer so choice. So only A. The rest of them are the incorrect answer choice. Going ahead, guys, what does the author mean when he says it eventually phases out? Okay, so this is a phrase over here. It eventually phases out means what, guys? Phases out means it is diminishing, it is reducing, correct? Phases out, जैसे moon होता है ना, उसके different phases होते हैं. So that is what it is phasing out. We need continuous practice in phases to retain it. It reduces back because of lack of practice, we become self-motivated with time. It goes after a period of time passes. It improves after a certain period passes. Okay, now over here when you see there are 5 options, so you have to really be very keen in reading the entire thing. We need continuous practice in retaining. ऐसा तो कुछ पैसेज के हिसाब से कुछ बैठ ही नहीं रहा है. It reduces because of the lack of practice. This looks good to me because eventually phases out means it is diminishing. We become self-motivated with time. No. It goes after a period of time passes. No. This is not a proper phrasing, correct? It improves after a certain. Now it improves. This is something that is positive and we are looking for something that is a negative answer, guys. So ये क्या होगा, तो आपका ऐसे ही eliminate हो जाएगा, guys. So these are the types of question and these kinds of passages. और इतना length तो आप expect करना ही करना. So guys, Maneuver is come out with an entire online program, guys. We have the books, we have the mock test, which is the replica of your examinations, guys. We have the sectional course also, and we have the entire course with the live lectures, guys. Okay, so for any of the problem you can easily head towards Maneuver and it will be solved. Now for the online program, you can contact us on 8828581455, or you can visit our website maneuveredu.com, guys. We are located at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai, and very shortly, guys, we are coming to Pune after this pandemic. So guys, stay tuned with us, subscribe our channel, and I'm sure you'll get lots of information and lots of knowledge. And all the best, stay safe and be at home. Thank you.